Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to clean this throttle in a 2004 Cadillac Escalade. I had picked this up from the store for like $9, and I seen a lot of good reviews about it. And basically it's right here, and excuse my ashy hands, y'all. You know, I'm not out here to be pretty right now. So I have my 8mm thing, which is this, and I think this I need a 10mm too. So first I'm going to take this off, and then there's two clamps. I gotta remove this. So it's a clamp here, and there should be another one over here. It's like two over here. So let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I got that loose. Now I'm gonna take off this electrical thing. Alright, y'all, so clearly my microphone won't work, and I had got one of those microphones from TikTok, and I thought I was recording my voice the whole time. I did not check it until the end, so I still got to do a voiceover. It probably was dead, but I'm just loosening up the screws over here. You can use the 8mm too, but I mean, it has like a flathead thing on the top where you can just loosen it up. And I was having like a hard time because I'm not a mechanic. I just seen a YouTube video and it looked like I can do it, so I'm attempting to do it. That gave me a hard time, like both of those, because I didn't want to just like pull it and it fuck up, but I ended up getting it off. Y'all can hear how excited I was. I was like, yes. And what's crazy is it was like a mechanic like 2 cars down from me that was working on the car. He was just looking like, damn, she over there trying to fix her shit. I do not be playing, okay? Like, if it looked like something that I can do, then I'm gonna do that. So I got this side off, and the other side gave me a hard time too, because like I said, I didn't want to pull it, but once you loosen up them clamps, you can just really pull it off. So now that it's off, I can go in here and use my throttle bottle cleaner and try to clean like inside it. And look how stuck the flat was. Like, I really think that's why it was cutting off. Like, it wasn't even able to get no air. Like, it was hard for me to push that pipe right there. So as y'all can see, as I started pushing it, it started moving a little bit more. So I was like, let me go ahead and clean it. You can take that whole throttle bottle off. Look at me looking like a real mechanic. You can take the whole throttle bottle off, but I didn't want to do that. I was being lazy. I was like, let me try to do this first, and then, you know, if I have issues, I'll try to just take it off and clean it thoroughly. If that don't work, then just replace it. So I'm just looking over the instructions and, you know, directions, because like I say, I'm not a mechanic, okay? I just be learning as I go, and I just watch videos to figure out exactly, you know, what to do for this specific vehicle. So I couldn't really wipe it and record, so I just, you know, showed like a part of it, but I got it done, y'all. So I was like, let me go ahead, put everything back together, make sure I remember exactly how everything went. So I'm just pushing it back in and then tightening up those clamps that I took off, and it wasn't that bad. Like, I had seen a comment on YouTube, and one guy was like, he did it in 30 minutes, and he not a mechanic, he don't even, you know, check his oil and stuff. So I was like, I know I probably can do this. So yeah, so I'm putting it back together. As y'all can see, don't mind my hair, I look a mess. You know, it's back to school weekend for the kids, so I had to get the kids straight, okay? But believe my hair gonna be straight before I go to work tomorrow. So throwing the top part back down, it's like the last step, and I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all know I had to go drive it to make sure it wasn't having like that reduced engine thing. So I did, and it's honestly like riding a lot better. I wouldn't even lie to y'all, but I'm gonna see how I do for the week. Like, you know, if I have that reduced engine power signal coming back on, I may have to just go in and get the whole throttle body clean, or, you know, have it replaced, which is cool. But if you can spend $10 and have it fixed, why not? Because I just spent $700 on this truck like 4 days ago. So sis gotta do what she gotta do. I do not play, okay? Because they be trying to get us women. So a lot of times when I have like leaks or something like that, I get up under the truck, try to see, you know, if I can see what's going on. Like, I'm not a mechanic, but I got common sense, so, you know, you gotta use it. But I did see some videos saying that I should take like the negative and positive off the battery to kind of like reset it, but I ain't feel like fucking with it. So we gonna see how I do, then get back to it.